Let's go ahead and get started by talking about some basic functions inside of Excel. First on the list is sheet names. This is a commonly overlooked part of the spreadsheet when people are working with different tabs or different sheets inside of Excel. Now, this might not seem like such a big deal because why does it really matter if you have something named Sheet 1 or Sheet 2? Because your calculations are going to work regardless of what the sheet is named. However, by not renaming your sheets when you start, it's a really bad practice because it can cause a lot of confusion down the road, and again, that can result in a bad data analysis. Also, even if you think that it won't happen to you, what typically happens in organizations is you perform some sort of calculation, it's labeled Sheet 1 or something different, and then you email this workbook out to a bunch of different people in the organization. Then when those people open up your workbook, they just start looking at the data and they'll interpret it however they feel like it. And a lot of times they could misinterpret data because the sheet is not named properly to set the proper context. So the best practice is whenever you start working with a new sheet, always go ahead and get started by renaming the sheet right away to the appropriate name that matches the data that's going to be on the sheet. So let's go ahead and rename the sheet by right-clicking on the sheet name here. We'll select rename, and then we're going to go ahead and call this sheet name transactions.